Suppose we are looking for the least common multiple of 4 and 6. We have to find the multiples of each number one at a time. Multiples are formed by multiplying the given number by the counting numbers. Counting numbers are the usual numbers we use when we count, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. It means that finding the multiples of 4 is just like looking at the 4 times table, starting with 4 times 1 equals 4, 4 times 2 equals 8, 4 times 3 equals 12, 4 times 4 equals 16, 4 times 5 equals 20, 4 times 6 equals 24, 4 times 7 equals 28, and 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 is 36, and so on. Another way to find the multiples of a number is by repeated addition. And so to find the multiples of 6, we start from 6 and then repeatedly add by 6 to get the next multiple, which is 12. Plus 6 is 18. Plus 6, that would give us 24. Plus 6, that makes 30. Plus 6 is 36. Plus 6 is 42, and so on. So let's check the common multiples of 4 and 6. 12 is common for both 4 and 6, as well as 24 and 36. But among 12, 24, and 36, the smallest number is 12, and therefore the least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. Let's try another example using 3 numbers. Find the least common multiple of 10, 15, and 30. So we have to list down the multiples of each number one at a time. The multiples of 10, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and so on. We can stop at 100 because we don't really need a large number. We are looking for the smallest common multiple. Next, list down the multiples of 15. The multiples are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, and so on. The multiples of 30 are 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, and so on. From this listing, we can see the common multiples of 10, 15, and 30 are 30, 60, and 90. And among these multiples, 30 is the smallest. Therefore, the least common multiple of 10, 15, and 30 is 30. Another way to find the least common multiple of 2 or more numbers is by doing repeated division. Say, for example, if you are to find the least common multiple of 8 and 24, all you have to do is put the numbers next to each other and then divide these numbers one at a time using the short division method like this. It is always easier to start with a small number as a divisor so that you won't struggle that much. So with 8 and 24, we can divide by 2, since both numbers are even numbers. 8 divided by 2, we get 4, and half of 24 is 12. 4 and 12 can still be divided further. We can use 4, and 4 divided by itself, we get 1, while 12 divided by 4, we get 3. We can now stop dividing from this point, and all we need is to take the product of common and uncommon divisors, which are 2, 4, and 3. There's no need to include 1 because any number multiplied by 1 is the same number. So, 2 times 4 times 3 is 24. Thus, the least common multiple of 8 and 24 is 24. How about finding the multiples of 3 numbers like 7, 28, and 42 using the long division method? Again, just the same. Put the numbers next to each other and divide them one at a time. Obviously, the given numbers are all divisible by 7, so we might as well start with 7 as a divisor. So for 7, we get 1. 28 divided by 7, we get 4. and we get 6 sets of 7 in 42. 4 and 6 can still be divided further by 2 since both numbers are even numbers. We keep 1 as it is and take half of 4, we get 2, and half of 6, we get 3. There is no common divisors for 2 and 3, and it means we can stop dividing. And all we have to do is take the product of all the common and uncommon divisors, which are 7, 2, 2, and 3. So for 7 times 2 times 2 times 3, we get a product of 84. This means that the least common multiple of 7, 28, and 42 is 84. And there you have it, just like that. And we're done. So thanks for staying with me until the end of this video, and without a doubt, I believe you now have a better understanding about the least common multiple. So have fun learning.